even East, another East, but this is a DJ now. Mine came from East. Spragga Benz. How long you been? Did you link with Spragga Benz from before music or when you got into music? What was the link like with Spragga Benz?
Before music, man.
Before music.
We used to camp around at the same time, though. You know what I mean? And you don't know kickball and Kirk hang out from day one even before the music. So when we link up, I know. Because you know.
Yeah.
I tell you a story about Spragga. See, I'll tell you something. He's always a fun to me in the car. Them know me as Van Wayne. See, that I'm really a Van Wayne. See? So, them I hear this Wayne one that ring. See? But them know so Wayne one that was a baller. But Wayne one that ring on record now. So Spragga say, I even give back the story that I say, you might hear say, Wayne one that the on the flyers. So him say, I decide to go. Man say, well, him go like so up and him say, Wayne one. Man say, no Van Wayne Charles that one. Yeah, man. Real. You know? But we always have a good relationship over the years now. Nothing but good energy, and it's so funny that now, because I say, me I'm basically a penthouse artist at the time now, and have more control and more say now. And Spragga come a penthouse, and you know what I mean? Jeremy, now I feel the vibe. And I tell DJ, say, no, pay him no mind, man, everything good, man. Once you're that, once you're on key, bro, the voice might sound weird to them, because they're not used to it, because they're used to that, them Tiger and them Shabba and them Ray. Yeah, man. And, you know, within a couple, and then I hear our two Spragga around the place. You see me, I say, bro? Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.